In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect internet here on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you obviously need internet to pretty much do almost everything on a PS5, whether it's playing online with friends, downloading updates, and accessing so many different PS5 features. But essentially go up to the top and select settings first from your PS5 home screen, and then go over to the network section on here. Down at the bottom, you're going to see a settings tab. Select this and just make sure connect to the internet is turned on, and then select set up internet connection. Once you do this, you're going to see your internet options on here. You're going to have two major options. It's going to be this LAN or wired connection, and this is essentially using an Ethernet cable connected directly to your router. This is by far the most stable option and recommended if it is available for you, or you're going to have a Wi-Fi connection, and this is going to be wireless. You're going to want to choose this obviously if you don't have a wired connection, and you just select your Wi-Fi network in here, enter in your password, and connect. That being said, you can also scroll down to this networks found section, and this is where you'd set that up, whether it is, that wired LAN or, different networks that are found. Essentially, select this and you'll be good to go. Whenever you're connected, you could check everything by backing out of this section and going to connection status and hitting test internet connection. And after you do that, you are good to go. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.